guys, welcome back to my channel. We just moved. Do you guys like our new kitchen? New kitchen? Do you like it? Like how modern it is? Kitchen did not come with boyfriend. We just came back from Costco. I'm gonna go through all of this in a second. Since we moved, we don't have any food in our fridge. I mean, look at this. This is sad. There is nothing. What is this? This is like rabbit food, more rabbit food, more rabbit food. But real quick, here's like the kitchen area. Here is our very modern and huge sink. Don't get confused. Look at this. There's like two little like spouts right here. Water comes out of this, not this. Do you know how many times I've wet my sleeves on that? Here, small dining area. And then here is our huge, lovely, and somewhat empty living room that comes with a flat screen TV and a sound bar, which sucks because we have 4 TVs now in this 2-bedroom thing. I don't know what to do with the third one. And here is our security system. Comes with a camera. If it goes, ooh, it's buffering. Oh, there again, my handsome boyfriend. I'm always watching, I'm always judging. Anyways, so these are our meats and food for the week. Our meats and food. This is our grocery haul. You can't even see my face in this. Okay. My groceries for the week. Now we have some sandwich thins. What I like about these is that the bread is super thin. So instead of eating like all those carbs, you're probably eating like half the carbs that you would have eaten with like a normal bun. Some unsweetened almond milk. I like to drink this. Though I will tell you, it's an acquired taste.
Is it acquired?
Yeah, I think the first time I had unsweetened almond milk, I didn't like it. And then I kept drinking it. And so now I love unsweetened almond milk, but I hate regular milk. So here's some soy sauce for marinating meat. So it's good if you just marinate it with soy sauce and some like garlic and onions. Okay, some roast beef to go with the sandwich thins.
What are those socks?
They're cute. I got them for Christmas.
Cute to who?
Don't make fun of my outfit. I threw this on right before we left to go grocery shopping. But I'm wearing like a neon orange top with some blue and white leggings and some bright panda socks that I got for Christmas. Anyways, on to the grocery haul. Then we got some pepper, because every kitchen needs pepper. Anyways, okay, so on to like the meats. So, I'm a huge red meat fan. I think I'd pick red meat over like any other food. But this isn't mine, this is Corey's. Babe, what is this?
Flat meat.
Okay, so it's flat meat that he's gonna marinate with the soy sauce and the chopped garlic and the onions.
Well, that's for both of us.
I guess it's for me too. Okay, so this right here is mine. This is a steal. It's 93.7 ground turkey, which is my favorite. I like to make it with taco seasoning, as you guys have seen in my other videos. So this, guess how much this costs per pound, Corey? Actually, no, you can't. Well, he bought it. This costs $2.59 a pound when usually we buy it for like $5 a pound. And then every fitness person needs a whole bunch of chicken in their fridge. Chicken breast in their fridge. Chicken breast. Not chicken wings, chicken breast. Oh, and we have some eggs. Because we have like an 18-pack of eggs there, and that'll last us between me and Corey.
2 days.
Okay, yeah, it'll last us like 2 days if he eats 1 serving. I like 12 eggs a day when I eat. We got 60 eggs. This, we usually don't buy junk food. I know before I moved here, while I was in San Francisco for school, I would never buy junk food. I'd only buy junk food like during the weekends on either like Saturday or Sunday, and I had like a very strict like no eating junk food during the week. And then I moved in with Corey. What happens with me and Corey now is that we'll run out of rice or we'll run out of meat. And instead of like making rice or cooking the meat, we'll just like go next door to get like, I don't know, like fast food or something. So we thought that instead of doing that and wasting money, we just have like a box of junk food in the freezer so we don't have to leave the comfort of our own home. Anyways, yeah, that's our freezer. So the first thing you put in a freezer, taquitos. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. We are going, I still can't talk. We're gonna put this away after he marinates whatever he's gonna marinate, and then we have to pick up Luna from her babysitter. Luna's my dog. We will see you guys next video.